Okay, guys, as requested, Awolnation, Sail Remix. Just bored. Alright, guys, that is it. That is a remix right there, baby. Going to try to put these remixes, if you want them, on my website. Going to try to use my website. If not, I'll probably have to default over to SoundCloud or something like that. But still, I'll try to get you a link, and I'll allow. Of course, you can download these for free. This one took me about 3 hours to make. Just to go over how this was made. Basically, I took a MIDI file and just chopped it all up. It takes a lot of work to do that. And then I put some drum loops in there. This is made from a MIDI file. People will probably comment and say, "Oh, he's just using a MIDI file." Well, you didn't watch it in a video because you didn't hear me just say that. So if you're one of those guys, you know, You didn't watch till the end of the video. But anyway, put in some extra things, the claps, use certain slices out of a MIDI drum, but then I put loops. Modified. I needed because I can't even play piano, guys. But I needed these little MIDI scores, the dun 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 dun, because I didn't know the notes, or whatever, and the doot 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 and all that stuff. But one of my little hobbies, not only a maintenance guy, but I haven't been making music in a long time, so I'm a bit rusty. I could have probably done this in freaking less than an hour if I still had all the memorization of where everything was and not having to go through here and try to get this and this and this and that. Because there's a thousand, look at this thing. I mean, these are all plugins. And I mean, there's a shitload of them. So these are all the things that make the music, and there's all of them right there. You even have a visualizer kind of thing over here. All sorts of crazy stuff you can do with FL Studio 12, by the way, is the version I'm using. So all sorts of stuff. You can route the channels here to go to this channel only and turn this one on and off, and it's FL Studio. I've been using this FL Studio. It used to be called Fruity Loops. Well, now they call it FL Studio. And I used to use Fruity Loops 3.0. Now they're up to 12. So that's how long I've had this software. But guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the song there. If I can't bring you any Maintenance Man videos, maybe some songs every once in a while that are free to download if you enjoy them. And we'll definitely try to get a link in the description or something for you guys. So I'm just starting this out. I thought this could be like a little playlist that like you want my songs or whatever. Because I enjoy doing this. It's relaxing and just kills time and stuff, and keeps me off of YouTube because that's a bad place. I'm just kidding. YouTube's a great place. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.